Hey guys, welcome to Jen's Creativity Corner. So we are going to show you the Halloween tree this year. So it's actually done two ways for Halloween. So tell me which one you prefer down below. This first one was done by my roommate, just kind of showing you top to bottom, then I'll show you a little bit more. But fun little skeleton and rats and all that at the bottom. So we've got rose, mask, cauldron. You can see it's all very black and white with just the tiniest pop of color with a brain. This was just things that we have around the house. Little skeleton stuff, creepy doll thing. Dementor and Hat are from a Harry Potter party, which I still need to edit. But fun little tree. And I did end up taking it down and redecorating it with stuff that I had, just because we both wanted to kind of have fun with it. So this showed a little bit closer. I have these bright, spooky little garlands. It's hard to show these tree videos because it doesn't look that spectacular from a distance on film, but you know, from across the room you can still see it very well. Anyway, I have all these little Art Deco, just cardboard, not cardboard, like chipboard, used for photo props, and they just give it a nice splash of color, more the cutesy than the gruesome again. And just using stuff that we had on hand. Didn't go to a lot of expense for this, and I think it would have been fun to do something with, you know, like spider webs wrapping around the tree. Just didn't do that this year. It's been a rough year for everyone, right? Anyway, here's the final project. Let me know, did you like the more black and white one? Would you have maybe gone spookier, more gruesome, or do you like the more kind of fun, cutesy side of the Halloween? So, just while you kind of get a good view of this, there are also some eyeballs. I forgot to include that footage, but there's little eyeballs that have the red bloodshot eyes and everything. Anyway, I do have a fall/autumn/Thanksgiving tree coming up. I don't know that I'm going to post a Christmas one just because a Christmas tree is kind of standard. So this series, we might only have one more. You know what? I actually have others that are edited and just not posted. Guys, I'm so sorry. Stay tuned, subscribe. We'll get them up. Thank you for your support. Let me know down below which was your favorite. Have a great day.